Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate medical expense deduction workflow in TurboTax, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and log into your account. Ensure you have the latest version of TurboTax installed. Navigate to the Deductions and Credits tab on the main menu. Scroll down to the section labeled Medical Expenses. Click on Start or Edit next to Medical Expenses. You may see a list of medical expenses that TurboTax can help you with. If prompted, answer questions about your healthcare coverage. Next, you will input qualified medical expenses. Gather all your relevant receipts and documentation. Enter expenses for items like medical treatments, surgeries, and prescriptions. Make sure to include any insurance reimbursements. If applicable, include expenses for transportation to medical appointments. Review your entries for accuracy before proceeding. Once all expenses are entered, click Continue to move forward. TurboTax will calculate your total medical expenses. Review the summary presented to confirm your deductions. If additional guidance is required, utilize the help options available. Proceed to finish and file your return when ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.